The next one is a foundation makeup hack, okay? Ooh, Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. To all my returning subscribers, you guys know that I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video during this quarantine and chill, quarantine and clean, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to be just cranking out videos. I'm still working. Your girl's still gonna be working regardless, working through all the disturbance. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, because we're gonna be pushing out content and y'all gonna be home for, they haven't even decided how long we're going to be home for. So go ahead and subscribe, because you're going to need something to watch, and I'm here for that, okay? Turn on your post notifications as well, so that way you are alerted every single time I drop a video. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up while you're here, because we're going to be testing out viral makeup TikTok hack, we're going to be testing out some viral makeup hacks on TikTok. Your girl recently downloaded TikTok. I made a profile. I haven't like played with it myself, like try to make any videos, but I feel like I'm gonna use some of this time that I have to, like, you know, just explore the app and try to see what I can, like, see if I could create some nice content on there. So yeah, add me on TikTok at thestushlife. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We are fresh faced, as you can see. I found a hack for eyebrows, and I like my eyebrows a certain way, and I just was like, I don't know how I'm feeling about this, but this video is about viral makeup hacks on TikTok, so we're gonna do it. So this first one, I'm gonna find the video and let's see what she says. Take a look. So we're supposed to brush our brow hairs, then we're supposed to apply Got To Be. I do wear wigs sometimes, so you guys know I have some Got To Be. And we're supposed to spoolie on the Got To Be and then go ahead and follow with our normal brow routine. So got my spoolie. So let me go ahead and brush these brows. I recently cleaned them like not too long ago, so I'm just brushing them up. It seems like I'm gonna put a little bit. I got my Got To Be. I'm gonna put a little bit. This is the Invisible Styling Gel, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, like that much, and then a dab in here a bit, okay? And let's see. I'm gonna guess it's acting as like a actual brow gel that holds your brows in place. Usually, if I use a brow gel, I use it like at the end after I've done my brows already. Let's see. You definitely don't need as much as I squirted out, but they don't look any different. Oh man, you guys normally don't even see my brows because I usually do them off camera before I get on here, but today it's not gonna be a brow tutorial, but I'm gonna work through my brows. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in ebony. This is normally what I use. Mine has lasted me a while, pretty good. I want to say this is $23, so it lasts a while, like a while. Let me know if you guys want a updated brow tutorial. I do have one on my channel from like decades ago, but yeah, I'm gonna do my brows really quickly. And yeah, I'm starting with this one first because this is the one that I put the gel on first. I feel like automatically it's like making the pomade a little bit stiffer too, which is, I don't know how I feel about that yet, but let's see how the end result is. Okay, kind of got my outline going. I've got a whole other spoolie. Yeah, that don't seem to be moving nowhere. Like, interesting. So far we got the base done. Now I'm gonna conceal. I recently ran into my L'Oreal LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to use this. I used to love this thing back in the day, and it's been like sitting out and on my like makeup desk for a little while, but I haven't used it. So I'm going to use that to conceal my eyebrows real quick. This is in the color Toffee. I remember back in the day I used to swear that I was fawn. Like, not every girl is fawn, but I feel like everyone was using fawn at a point. Like, no. I'm gonna spoolie them just a bit. How do you guys feel about the brows? They're definitely not moving. They're on. Like, for sure, they're on. I'm not mad at it. I could probably implement this into like a routine, especially like if I want to do like all day, I'm out all day, and or even maybe going to the club and you might sweat. Yeah, I could definitely implement this. That was cute. That was fun. Thank you, What You Doing Kiara, for that. I think that's her TikTok name. The next one is a foundation makeup hack. Okay. Ooh,
Bitch, I'm scared. Watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. Could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look.
She's saying that we need to moisturize first. I've already moisturized. I use this mini Sephora moisturizer. She's saying next that we need to apply a translucent powder. I'm not gonna do that first because before I put on any makeup, I'm gonna prime.
I said what I said,
as
and
always.
I'm not changing on it.
She's saying to prime like last before putting on your foundation, but your girl is gonna prime first, and that's just what I'm gonna do. Cause y'all see, yeah, no, I'm not. No, I'm putting a barrier on first. Okay, this is my Too Faced hangover primer, and I'm just gonna add some pumps.
Pump it up.
So she did say to prime last, but I primed first. Then she said that we need to press on translucent powder. I have a brand new container of my Laura Mercier powder. I used to use this a lot back in the day, maybe like a year or so ago, and I started using cheaper powders just to see what else was out there. So I'm going to use this, and she said apply a little amount. So dipping it in, and I'm just tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna just put it all over my face. Okay. See that this automatically mattifies my primer, which is expected. You put a powder on top of something that is a liquid. Oh, I got some in my hair. My hair needs to be washed anyway. That's not a big deal. Then she said to use some setting spray. So I have the Quick Fix Urban Decay. It's actually by Scandinavia, which I didn't realize.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
But yes, this Quick Fix Hydro Charge spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. She said to wait for this to dry first before applying my foundation. So I'm going to use my Cutie mirror from Capra NYC, and I'm going to go ahead and dry this down. And then we're going to apply our foundation. So let me go ahead and do that. Using my NARS, this is a Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Macao. I use my foundation brush to first spread the product out, and then I'm going to buff it in. Using my NYX professional makeup brush, this is in the number 3, and let's buff. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't clean up my brows, but no worries, I could do it right now. Just like that, with my foundation. I'm the only person that hates when foundation gets into my hairline. I know we have to push it in to get that blend, but it's like, bruh. I think I hate it more now that I don't have hair than when I did have hair. Like, I feel like it was easier to hide. I don't know, I can't explain it, but face looks good though. Yeah, I wasn't feeling that priming step last. Yeah, I wasn't feeling that. So I kind of like reworked her thing. Not really, because I've seen Jackie Aina put powder down first, but we talking about TikTok, so we gonna let her have it for that one.
Few inches later.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal too. And let's speed through this, shall we? I don't feel like waiting for my concealer to dry, so I'm fanning it down a bit. The base looks pretty good. Okay, so what do you guys think? The base looks pretty good. I have to like try it one more time to see how I really like it. The eyebrows, I'm feeling though, they're like not moving. So on a day where I'm like going out, where I'll be out all day and I need to have my makeup stay on all day, I'll definitely do this brow hack. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my TikTok makeup hacks that I decided to recreate for you guys. If you guys would like to see more makeup TikTok hacks, then let me know. I will definitely be on the lookout for that. Follow me on TikTok as well, because I'm going to be dropping some stuff. I might actually play with the app today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and join the gang. If you're interested in this eye look, don't worry, there will be a video for this, so definitely stick around. Turn on your post notifications as well, so that way you are alerted when this eye look drops, because I did record it for you guys. And go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. See you guys all in the next upload. Bye. The video is about TikTok hacks and makeup. That was cute. But this video is about viral makeup TikTok hacks. So, but this video, a brand fresh new pack of a fresh new. I have a brand new the natural I'm using, and I need to like have my makeup stand and that's why I look. That's why I'm. So that is the end of today's video.